welcome to Tai Chi shoulder rolls. So this is a great one because it builds strength and mobility in the shoulders. It's helpful for painful shoulders. And in addition, you learn to coordinate the timing and movement with your hips and your shoulders, which is an essential quality for martial arts, but really this is how our body works, is that the hips move and then the shoulders flow with it. So this is gonna give you that ability, which increases power, mobility, timing, distance, all these things of basically economy of motion. So I'm gonna show you the upper body first. So we start like this with the palms up, body elongated in good aligned stillness. What we're gonna do is turn to the left and roll the shoulder so that the right shoulder and palm is now up. Hopefully you can see that like this, right? And then we turn to the left at the same rate. Our shoulders are going to unwind and then the other shoulder sort of winds up, trying to keep it as level as possible. So it's this kind of flowing motion. Getting nice, good mobility in that. Now, one thing to be aware of, don't let your belly do this, okay? We don't want that, we want this. We want to be aligned. So you can see here, there's an alignment there, whereas I'm not letting the belly hang out, okay? Now let's look at some footwork here. So I know you can't see my face very well, but that's okay. So what we're gonna do is, as we turn to the left, our hips are turning completely. So if I have a holster on, my holster is pointing that way. One thing to note is, hopefully you can see it, that these feet are not facing forward. This hip is turned all the way, and this foot here is pointing that way. So it's actually drawing a little bit of a triangle like this. Okay, so from here, and then we go the other way and get those hips all the way over, and I still have that triangle. Okay, enjoy this movement and remember this footwork for your daily life, because this will save your shoulders, it will build strength, and it will overall just make you more economical with your movements. We don't want to waste our energy, we want to be efficient with it, which is going to keep you more youthful in your movement.